Example problem 2 reads, how many grams are in 0.978 moles of solid sodium? So the problem tells us that we have 0.978 moles of Na, which is sodium, and we're being asked for grams. So we can go from moles to grams in one step, since moles is treated like a base unit and grams is treated like something with a prefix. So we draw our multiplication symbol, draw our division bar, bring down moles of Na, and then bring grams of Na to the top, since that's what we're converting to. So in 1 mole, you have to pull the periodic table of elements. Sodium is number 11, and there is, in 1 mole, there is 22.99 grams of sodium. And so again, that's going to be that mass number. So moles cancel, and you're left in grams. And so in your calculator, 0.978 times 22.99 equals 22.48 grams of sodium. Let me know if you have any questions with example problem 2.